So today we will explore two technologies that are transforming the way we live and work, IoT and AIoT. By the end of this session, you will understand what these terms mean, how they work, and why they are so important for modern technology. So IoT, it stands for Internet of Things, but what does this really mean? So think of IoT as network of interconnected devices, from smartwatches and home appliances to industrial sensors, all communicating with each other. So these devices collect, exchange, and analyze data, enabling smarter interactions and automation. For example, your smart thermostat learns your schedule and adjusts the temperature accordingly. Smart traffic system analyze vehicle data to optimize traffic flow. So the key point is IoT connects the physical and digital worlds. So there are some core components of IoT like sensors and actuators, devices that measure and act. For example, temperature sensors and motors. The connectivity like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee or cellular networks that transmit data. Then it is about data processing, systems that analyze data often in the cloud or edge devices. And then we have a user interface like apps or dashboards that let the humans to monitor or control devices. For example, a wearable health tracker collects heart rate, sends it to an app and alerts you if your heart rate is abnormal. Now, what is AIoT? So, AIoT is artificial intelligence of things. It's basically IoT plus AI. While IoT devices collect and share data, AIoT devices use artificial intelligence and machine learning to understand that data and make that intelligent decisions automatically. For example, a smart security camera, it doesn't just record the video, it detects the suspicious activity and alerts you, immediately. Now let's talk about the stuff relating to the importance, the function, I would say. So here basically, if I talk about the things relating to AIoT versus IoT. So IoT basically collects and exchange data, but artificial intelligence of things collect, analyzes, and then act, intelligently. So if I talk about the decision making, so under IoT, manual or rule-based decision making is done, but under AIoT, automated and adapted. So the example here will be smart bulb controlled via app, IoT example, and artificial intelligence of things example will be smart bulb, that adjusts the brightness based on room occupancy and sunlight. So artificial intelligence of things, enhances intelligence and autonomy, like making IoT systems more efficient and responsive. So it deals towards enhanced efficiency, means devices can self-optimize operations. Smarter analytics means AI algorithms find patterns and insights in large data sets. Autonomous decisions means systems can act without constant human supervision, and dynamic adaptation means devices respond in real time to changing environments or user needs. For example, in smart agriculture, AIoT sensors detect soil moisture and automatically trigger irrigation only when needed, like saving water and improving uh, the crop yield. So this is something, relating to it. So if I talk about the real world applications like smart homes, energy efficient lighting, AI driven climate control, followed by in healthcare, AIoT devices monitor patients and predict health issues, and in industries like predictive maintenance in factories to prevent breakdowns. In addition to this, transportation, autonomous vehicles, that I would say sense, surroundings and adjust driving behavior. So think of AIoT as IoT devices, kind of giving brains, like they not only see and report, they think and act. So IoT is connecting devices to exchange data, and AIoT is adding intelligence, to connected devices for automated decisions. So benefits include smarter systems, efficiency, and adaptability. Now let's talk about these applications in more, detail. So here the first and foremost application that we have is predictive maintenance. So this is one of the most powerful application of AI in IoT. See, AI algorithms analyze equipment data like temperature, vibration, and usage patterns to predict when a machine might fall. So, this allows the technicians to perform maintenance before a breakdown occurs, like reducing the downtime and extended, machinery lifespan. For example, in factories, sensors on motors, or conveyors collect real time data. So, AI predicts potential failures and alerts engineers, preventing costly shutdowns. So, here predictive maintenance saves money, improve efficiency, and ensures smooth operation. Next is in smart homes. AI also enhances home automation systems. So, smart devices like thermostats, lights, and refrigerators. So, they learn user preferences over time. They optimize energy usage automatically, improving both comfort and efficiency. For example, lights dim when a room is empty. The thermostat adjusts heating or cooling based on your daily schedule. So here AI turns a connected home into a learning and adaptive environment. Next is healthcare monitoring. So healthcare is another area where AI and IoT combine powerfully. AI powered IoT devices monitor patient health in real time. They analyze vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels, and they alert the caregivers to potential issues immediately. For example, wearable health monitors detect irregular heartbeats and notify doctors. Hospitals use AIoT systems to track patient recovery and optimize treatment plans. So this, a proactive monitoring improves patient outcomes and makes healthcare delivery more, efficient. So there can be another, applications. I can write that for you. That one can be, one of them can be smart cities, like AIoT, manages traffic lights and monitors pollution levels. Another can be, agriculture, like AIoT sensors analyze soil and crop data for optimized irrigation and fertilization. And another can be transportation, means, AIoT, powers autonomous vehicles and fleet management systems. So anywhere devices collect data, AI can turn that data into actionable sites. So, to summarize this, I would say, basically, predictive maintenance means reducing downtime, extending machine life. Smart homes means learning user behavior and optimizing energy usage. And healthcare monitoring means tracking patients in real time and improving outcomes. So, overall, AI plus IoT is equals to smarter, more efficient, and more responsive. So this is not just about collecting data, it's about making devices smarter and more proactive. So now, so to answer this question about any device or system that we use, that could benefit from AI powered IoT should be, as I said, smart refrigerator. Why? Because it tracks like what's inside, and it will alert you when food is running low. It will suggest the recipes based on what is in the fridge. It will monitor expiration dates to reduce food waste, followed by adjusting cooling for energy efficiency, in an automatic manner. So the result can be like there will be less food that will be wasted, right? And it will help you to prepare your meal in an easy way, and there will be less, cost for your electricity bills. The another example can be smart thermostat. So likewise, it can go with the stuff. Now let's move forward with the next part that's relating to edge AI versus cloud AI. So if I talk about edge AI and cloud AI, so as you can see here on the screen, edge AI, processes the data locally on the device itself, like instead of sending it to a remote server. So this allows for immediate responses, which is critical for time sensitive application. It also enhances privacy since data doesn't need to leave the device. For example, a self-driving car uses edge AI to detect pedestrians instantly, without waiting for data to travel to the cloud. Another example can be smart cameras, that detect motion and trigger alarms in real time. So key point is edge AI means fast, local and private. There are some advantages of edge AI like low latency means immediate processing and response. Improved privacy means sensitive data stays on device. Reduced bandwidth means less data is sent to the cloud, saving network resources. Reliability means works even if network connection is poor. Now, what is cloud AI? Cloud AI relies on centralized servers to process and analyze data. So, it provides high processing power and the ability to run complex algorithms. It also makes it easy to update AI models across multiple devices simultaneously. So smart assistants like Alexa or Google Home, they analyze voice commands in the cloud. So cloud-based analytics for industrial IoT can process data from hundreds of machines at once. So cloud AI means powerful, scalable and easy to update. So there are some advantages like high computational power means it can handle complex AI models. Centralized updates means models and software can be updated easily. Aggregated insights means it combines data from many devices for better predictions. So there are some limitations like higher latency due to data transfer, privacy concerns as sensitive data is sent over the networks, dependence on network connectivity. So, if I make a quick comparison for Edge AI and Cloud AI, so the main feature of Edge AI is local, like it's on device, but the Cloud AI is remote, like central server. If I talk about the latency, very low in Edge AI and higher due to transmission in Cloud AI. If I talk about the privacy, very high on Edge AI and lower form of data is transmitted in Cloud AI. If I talk about the computing power, it's limited in case of Edge AI and it's very high in case of Cloud AI. And if I talk about the updates, manual device, specific updates in Edge and easy centralized updates on Cloud. So in many IoT solutions, a hybrid approach is used, means Edge AI handles fast responses locally while Cloud AI handles heavy analysis and long-term learning. So Edge AI, fast, private, low latency, ideal for real-time IoT applications. Cloud AI, powerful, scalable, easy to update, ideal for large scale analysis. And hybrid approach means that combines the best of both worlds. So understanding when to use edge or cloud AI is very important for designing effective IoT solutions. Now let's move forward to the key benefits of artificial intelligence of things technology. So AIoT combines automation and intelligent analytics. That means improved efficiency, which also allow the system to work smarter, like not harder. So by streamlining processes and reducing manual intervention, artificial intelligence of things improves overall productivity across various sectors. For example, in factories, artificial intelligence of things, systems monitor production lines and automatically adjust operations to prevent delays. Another example can be in warehouses, robots guided by AIoT manage inventory efficiently without constant human oversight. So key point is AIoT is equals to automation plus intelligence is equals to higher efficiency. Then it is about real-time decision making. AIoT devices can analyze data as it is collected and make instant decisions. So this capability is critical in dynamic environments where conditions change, rapidly. For example, smart traffic systems, detect congestion in real time and adjust signal timings automatically. Agriculture IoT sensors trigger irrigation instantly when soil moisture drops below the optimal level. So key point is real-time decision making enhances performance and optimizes resource usage. Personalized user experience. So AIoT enables tailored services that adapt to individual user preferences. So devices can learn user behavior and provide solutions that are customized, convenient and engaging. Smart home assistants, suggest personalized schedules or routines based on user habits. Wearable fitness devices create tailored workout or health recommendations. So AIoT increases, user satisfaction by making technology more intuitive and responsive. So improved efficiency means it reduces manual work and streamlines operations. Example, automated factories, warehouses. Real-time decision making, instant actions based on data. Example is smart traffic system, precision agriculture. Personalized experience, description, I would say tailored services for users. An example, smart home wearable health services. So to summarize, AIoT is transforming technology by making systems smarter, faster and more personalized. The AIoT applications across industries. So here it's in retail, in agriculture, in transportation, in smart cities. So if I talk about smart cities, AIoT plays a vital role, in smart city development. System optimize traffic flow, monitor pollution, and manage public resources efficiently. So AIoT sensors detect air quality and trigger alerts when pollution is high. So traffic lights adapt in real time to reduce congestion. So AIoT improves, urban living standards and resource management. If I talk about agriculture, in agriculture, AIoT technologies, monitor crop health and automate irrigation. So environmental data like soil moisture, temperature and weather is analyzed to guide decisions. For example, smart irrigation systems, water only areas that need it. So saving water and maximizing yield. So AIoT sensor detect early signs of pest or disease for timely intervention. So AIoT helps the farmers to increase productivity while reducing waste. Now, if I talk about in retail, so in retail, AIoT helps the businesses, to monitor and analyze customer behavior. So by collecting real-time, data, stores can tailor their offering to customer preferences. For example, smart shelves track which products are picked up most frequently. So AIoT systems suggest personalized discounts or promotions to shoppers. AIoT improves customer satisfaction and drives sales effectively. Now, if I talk about transportation, transportation services use AIoT for fleet tracking and autonomous vehicles. So, this technology enhances safety, efficiency, and logistic management while also reducing operational cost. So, GPS enabled trucks report location and performance data in real time. Autonomous buses and delivery vehicles adjust routes dynamically to avoid traffic or hazards. So, AIoT ensures safer, faster, and cost effective travel. So likewise it moves with this stuff relating to it. So AIoT is increasing, or it is getting popular among multiple industries, making operations smarter, safer, and more efficient. So this was the most important stuff regarding AI and machine learning, introduction to IoT and AIoT concepts. I hope everyone understood this video. So in the next part, we will be doing an interesting project relating to it. So stay tuned. Okay,